Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it's the YouTubers Nail Art Stamping Weekly Collabs. This week the host is Nerdy Creations, and the theme she came up was the 4 elements. So I decided I was gonna go with water, of course, because I was trying to look through my plates and see. I was thinking maybe fire, but then I don't really have a lot of stamping designs for that, and I was like, oh, air and earth, and I was like, oh, maybe, but I wasn't really sure. So obviously I have tons of stuff that I can always use for water because, well, you guys probably know that's what I'm into. I like the ocean and everything like that. So we are going with water. Anyway, so I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video, and I will have their links down below in the description box. So stay tuned, and if you are coming from one of their channels, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. So I'm going with kind of like a metallic-y kind of design. So this is what I have as my base. This is Sally Hansen's Insta-Dry, and this is the matte, and this one is called Smoldering Teal. So that is my base right now. So I did 2 coats of that. I did do a top coat, so that's why it looks shiny and it's not matte. And then I'm gonna kind of play it by ear. So I could possibly use Hit the Bottle, and this is Break the Icing. I might also use Beauty Big Bang, and this is 001. Also, maybe I might use this Hit the Bottle polish. This is Peacock Shimmer, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this Born Pretty store, and I can't remember, sorry, I lost the name. I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing that, but I'm going to use this too. So we're going to kind of play it around. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, but I think it's probably going to turn out cool. Then I have a bunch of different stamping plates. So I have the Sailor Collection 08 from Muyu London. Then I also have 20 Sailor Collection, also from Muyu London. Yeah, they're all Muyu London. We also have Sailor Collection number 18. And then we have the Mix and Match Collection number 13 from Muyu London as well. Maybe use any of those. Like I said, we're gonna see how it goes, and I'm just gonna get started. I kind of do these videos just like play it by ear for most of the time. I have like a general idea of what I'm gonna do, but it never ends up turning out what I thought it was, but we will see. So we'll stay tuned. So I'm gonna use this mermaid scale image right there, and we're gonna use the silver stamping polish to do that one. is the finished nail design. I actually really like how it turned out. Yeah, so that's pretty good considering I didn't really know what I was doing at the very beginning of the video. But anyway, so that is today's design. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.